Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone, ever wanted to try making kimbap, but keeping it vegan? Well, you're in the right place. Vegan kimbap is a fantastic, flavorful Korean rice roll that's super customizable and surprisingly simple to make at home. It's perfect for a light meal, a picnic, or a delicious snack. Let's dive in and see how easy it is to create this delightful plant-based dish. The heart of kimbap starts with quality nori sheets and perfectly cooked short-grain rice, seasoned with sesame oil and a touch of salt. For our vegan version, the possibilities are endless. Common fillings include sautéed carrots, blanched spinach, and thinly sliced cucumber. You can also add marinated tofu or savory rehydrated shiitake mushrooms for extra protein and flavor. It's all about creating a balance of textures and tastes. Now, let's get those fillings ready. The key here is to prepare each ingredient separately, giving it its own unique seasoning. For instance, quickly sauté your carrots and spinach, seasoning them lightly as you go. Slice your cucumber thin and maybe marinate some tofu in soy sauce and sesame oil before pan-frying it until golden. Having all your fillings ready before assembly makes the rolling process much smoother. Now for the fun part, rolling. Lay a sheet of nori shiny side down on your bamboo rolling mat. Spread a thin, even layer of your seasoned rice over most of the nori, leaving a small gap at the top. Then, arrange your colorful fillings in a neat line across the center. Don't overdo it, less is often more here. Gently lift the mat, rolling tightly from the bottom, pressing firmly to create a perfect, compact roll. A little water on the top edge will help seal it neatly. Once your rolls are complete, brush them lightly with a touch of sesame oil for extra flavor and a beautiful sheen. Now for the satisfying moment. Slicing. Use a very sharp knife, moistened with water, to cut your kimbap into 1-inch thick pieces. This helps prevent sticking and gives you clean, beautiful slices. Arrange them artfully on a plate and enjoy your delicious homemade vegan kimbap right away. It's a truly rewarding and tasty experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.